Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on notifications for remixes on Instagram Web using your PC. If you want to stay updated whenever someone creates a remix with your content, this setting is definitely worth enabling. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there. Go ahead and click on those lines to open the menu. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage different features and preferences. Now, inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Instagram. Next, click on Push Notifications. Here, you'll see different categories of notifications that you can customize. Scroll down until you find the Remixes option. This is the section that controls notifications related to remix activity on your content. Under Remixes, simply select On.